Get him, Ryan. Get him, Ryan. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Good evening. Out here with Ryan tonight. We're on the creek after some smallies. Had a baseball tournament this morning. Did not go our way. Ryan was looking for something to do this evening, so I said, you know what? Let's run down to the creek. Let's do a little fishing. We've got about an hour left of daylight to fish. Let's see if we can take advantage of that golden hour and put some good ones on the bank. Stick with us, see what we can find. Do not pull. Okay, start reeling. Hey, let's go down to your little spot down there. Just work your way down there, okay? Woo. There we go. Yep. Little guy. One on the Chapo. Settle, my man. You work your way down to that spot. I'll be down in a minute. Thank you, buddy. Away he goes. It's number one for the day. I think there's another one hanging out over there, guys. Because I had one blow up on my lure as soon as it landed. Let's throw another one back in there. Nope. We'll throw another one over this way. And then we got to go catch up with Rye. Throw one back in that corner real quick. There we go. Oh, he came off. Oh, that was a better fish. Yeah. Right. A couple more casts and then we're going to move down. Oh. Got one. He hit it on the drop. Little guy. Two. He's almost as big as the lure. It's not the lure, buddy. No, I think that's the better spot. Where are you at? Up in a tree?
No, in the log.
I can't do that. Okay. Cast. little guy. Oh, he came off. No, because he won't bite again. It was a little guy anyway. We're gonna switch here in a minute, in a couple minutes anyway, to the secret lure. Got another one. Let's see if this guy stays on. Yeah, that's probably the biggest of the day so far. Okay, there we go. Got him out. And he's away. Good. Try to get it off. Pull it a little bit. Okay, there's one. Come on down here, Rye. Come on. What is this? That's a smallie. Go up in the weeds because it gets deep right here. Go up there. All right, Rye got one. All right.
Can I try to unhook him?
No, because he's in a bad spot there.
If it was just through his lip, I mean, just now I'm having fun.
Just now you're having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, here, put your, put your thumb in his mouth.
Can't really, I need my mouth. Got
Yeah.
a bloody mouth. Like he's gonna bite me.
Right.
I need my rod down.
Go ahead, put your rod down. Here, stick your thumb in his mouth. Grab him. There you go. All right, Rye. Oh, you want a picture?
No.
No? Okay,
I
not.
have a video.
Oh, you're on video, yeah. Okay, go ahead, release him.
Thanks, buddy.
One for Rye. Let him go. All right, let's get another one. What do you say? Grab your rod. We got a little bit more time here.
I'm gonna wipe it on my fishing shirt.
That's what it's there for. Come on down here.
I want to cast back down.
Yep. Well, come down here a couple of steps and then cast out.
I'm caught.
Try to pull it. Try to get it off. That's part of creek fishing with a jig. Oh, you got a fish. You're not caught. Get him, Rye. Get him, Rye. Come on, bring him in. All right, Rye, really good fish.
My rod down now. He's a big boy. You hold him, and then I'll put my thumb in. I'm not really comfortable.
Okay, there you go. Hey, hold it. Well, away he goes.
He came up, he bit me.
There's one. Come on down here, Rye. Yeah, reel in because I've seen a couple fish up on the surface over here. Okay, go ahead. One more cast there.
That one.
All right, Rye.
Go.
No, it didn't break. He just came off.
Thanks, fishy. Okay.
Okay. Yep, walk up that way a little bit.
Why do rocks look like catfish? That's just fine. Caught 5 fish.
Yep, you have. That's pretty good. We haven't been out here for more than an hour, or maybe an hour. There we go. Oh, lost him.
Holy.
Rock.
Yeah, I am too. Release the point of pressure. Got off.
Okay, good.
I did buy the thingy where you pull the thingy.
Yeah, the thingy where you pull the thingy. I love it when the thingy where you pull the thingy. What's that? When you can learn to unhook the fish by yourself. Oh, it came off. Yeah, but he came back and got it. No, he's my fish. Ooh, he wanted that. He swallowed that deep. This one's not easy. They're feeding hard right now. Thank you, buddy.